We will be able to engage various players in the sector. Of course, we have recorded our disgust and disapproval of the despicable behavior in the National Assembly when the committee report was being tabled, and we join those who have called for a serious inquiry into the conduct of members of the National Assembly and the alleged kickbacks that they received to kill a very positive report.
The livelihood of millions of people has been seriously affected in the sugar sector. On average, there are about 500,000 sugarcane farmers in this country. And if you take each farmer as somebody who has a nucleus family of about 5 people, and you do your mathematics, you can imagine how many millions of people have now been affected by the crippling of the sugar sector in this country. And we are concerned that unless we get to the root bottom of this, after sugarcane, what is next? Is it tea that is going to be destroyed? We have seen the chaos around the maize sector, and Kenya's economy is largely agricultural. So what we are seeing, if it is not addressed seriously, we have a problem.
If Parliament as an institution has probably not been able to effectively address the concerns of sugarcane farmers, are there other solutions? And I want to agree with my brothers that indeed there are many legal instruments, there are many tools at our disposal as government and at the disposal of His Excellency the President that can be considered to address this situation. And one of them would be the path of forming a commission of inquiry to inquire into what ails the sugar industry in this country, to inquire into what happened in the recent past, and what possible solutions can be brought to bear.